Hello students, good morning. My name is Manoj Sharma. So in the second part we will study about the useful microorganism. Microorganisms are useful in the following way. First, in food and beverage industry. In second, in making medicines and vaccines. In third, in agriculture. Fourth, in cleaning the environment. Food and beverage industry. As we know that there are different kind of a bacteria or different kind of microorganisms which are useful to us in a beverage industry and food. First is lactobacillus. It helps in making some kind of a food. It's a bacteria used in making curd and yogurt from milk. It's a bacteria that sought milk and used to make curd from milk. Cheese is also made by the action of bacteria on milk. Vinegar is produced by action of bacteria. So bacteria is also used to make tea, coffee and cocoa. Then yeast. It's a fungus used to make bread, idli, dosa and dhokla and alcohol by the process of fermentation. Then what actually fermentation is? It is the process by which we can break down sugar in the absence of oxygen, by which alcohol and carbon dioxide is produced. Because of carbon dioxide, the substance becomes fluffy and this process is called as the fermentation. Yeast. So the carbon dioxide produced help the dough to rise and increase its volume. Fermentation helped in producing alcoholic drinks such as beer and wine. Medicines and vaccine. Antibiotics. The antibiotics are that category of a medicine which are prepared from microorganisms and used against them. So we are using the microorganism and their parts or the chemical produced from them and using against them to treat different kind of a disease. Bacteria and fungi are used to make antibiotics like penicillin made by fungus Penicillium, antibiotic like streptomycin, tetracycline is also made from bacteria. Vaccine. Microbes are used to make vaccine to protect human from many diseases like polio, hepatitis, measles and smallpox. Vaccine. Vaccine helps in increasing the immunity against special type of disease. What is immunity? Immunity is a protective system of our body. If our immunity is low, our protective system is low, any kind of a pathogen, any kind of a causating agent can easily enter in our body and create different kind of a disease. So vaccine produces antibodies inside our body to fight against the virus or other pathogen, or you can say it enhance our immunity. Vaccine can be injected or swallowed into a body. It consists of mild form of inactive virus strain. You remember in your childhood you got some kind of injections by the doctor, that was vaccine to enhance your immunity. In agriculture, rhizobium. This bacteria lives inside the root nodule of leguminous plants like pea and pulses. It helps in the fixation of free nitrogen into soluble nitrogen so that it can be available to plants for their growth. Algae like blue-green algae also help in nitrogen fixation. So converting the nitrogen of air into nitrogen compound, these bacteria are very useful because plants require nitrogen for their growth. In cleaning the environment, if the bacteria will not be there, everywhere will be the dead bodies. So bacteria help in decomposing, decaying the dead material. It increases the organic nutrient in the soil because these dead bodies will convert to nutrient and this nutrient will mix into the soil. Bacteria help in waste water treatment also. They help in reducing the organic load of water bodies. Microbes like green algae help in supply of oxygen in atmosphere by the process of photosynthesis. Then harmful microorganism. So we know that there are different kind of useful things, then there are different kind of harmful things that we discuss in the next part. Thank you.